Okay, are you ready to conquer the F sharp minor scale? Let's make it a breeze. Perfect for beginners looking to conquer this essential musical skill. First, the treble clef. Imagine the F sharp note sitting between the first and second lines of the staff. Now let's climb the musical ladder step by step until we reach the top line. That there is our F sharp octave. Now for the bass clef. Picture the F sharp sitting below the bottom line of the musical staff. Climb up those lines and you'll find your F sharp octave once again. Remember those three sharps, F sharp, C sharp and G sharp, are the key signatures for the F sharp minor scale. They're always in that particular order. Later on in the video, we'll be uncovering a secret, that being the relative major scale. Keep watching to learn more and deepen your understanding. The scale consists of 7 notes that follow a specific pattern. Now, why is the scale so important? It's like the building blocks of music. That's because each note has a specific relationship, creating different moods and sounds. Now let's talk chords, shall we? The F sharp minor triad is like a musical superhero trio, made up of F sharp, A, and the note C sharp. These notes work together to create harmonious sound. Harmonising the minor scale is like building a musical house. You use chords that fit the scale's notes, and this helps you understand how music works and how to create your own songs. Want to find the relative major scale? It's easy. Just count 3 steps forward from the tonic notes. This is the first note of the scale. Now, are you ready to take your musical skills to the next level? The circle of fifths is a must-know for any beginner. Let's explore it together, shall we?